Your MCP server needs dependencies, but you don't want to manually track and install them across different environments and clients. You'll see how FastMCP install MCP JSON handles everything, from single packages to editable local dependencies, while generating standardized MCP JSON configurations that work everywhere. The pattern covers requirements files, environment variables, and even project-specific Python versions, all in one command.
Single package. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with pandas. Multiple packages. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with pandas with requests with HTTPX. Editable local package. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with editable my package. From requirements file. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with requirements txt.
This demonstrates the configuration as code pattern for server deployment. The approach generates standardized MCP JSON configurations from simple CLI commands, abstracting away environment-specific details while maintaining reproducibility. What makes this distinctive is its ability to bridge the gap between development environments and production systems through declarative configuration. The pattern works by externalizing all runtime requirements, dependencies, environment variables, and execution parameters into a portable JSON format. This creates a clear separation between application logic and deployment concerns, allowing the same server code to run consistently across different environments. The generated configuration becomes the single source of truth for how the server should execute, regardless of where or how it's launched. This approach matters because it solves the configuration drift problem common in distributed systems. By codifying all deployment parameters, you eliminate implicit dependencies and works on my machine scenarios. It's particularly valuable for AI tooling ecosystems where servers need to integrate with multiple clients, and for CI/CD pipelines where reproducible environments are critical. The trade-off is a slight upfront complexity in learning the configuration schema, but the payoff comes in reduced maintenance and more reliable deployments. Let's break it down line by line.
Single package. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with pandas.
This installs a single package dependency alongside the FastMCP service. The with flag bundles additional Python packages with your deployment, ensuring they're available at runtime without separate installation steps. This eliminates dependency management friction for production deployments.
Multiple packages. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with pandas with requests with HTTPX.
This demonstrates FastMCP's dependency injection pattern for installing multiple Python packages during deployment. Each, with flag, adds a package dependency, ensuring all required libraries are available when the server starts. The pattern eliminates manual environment setup and guarantees consistent dependencies across deployments.
Editable local package. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with editable my package.
This installs a local package in editable mode, linking directly to your source directory instead of copying files. Editable installs are essential for development, letting you modify package code and see changes immediately without reinstalling. The pattern mirrors PIP's flag, but integrated into FastMCP's dependency system.
From requirements file. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Hi with requirements txt.
This loads dependencies from a requirements txt file, eliminating manual package specification. Ideal for complex projects with many dependencies, it ensures consistent environments by using a single source of truth for all package versions. The pattern mirrors pip's requirements file convention, making it familiar to Python developers. FastMCP dependency configuration. The install command bridges local development and isolated MCP execution environments, packaging dependencies exactly as they'll run in production. Specifying with flags doesn't just install packages. It defines the entire universe your server will inhabit when running in Claude Sandbox. Always prefer FastMCP JSON for complex configurations to avoid CLI argument sprawl.
The dependency that never changes becomes the environment that never breaks.